Snow, the amount 5 to 10 centimeters. The wind will be coming northwest 30 kilometers per hour, gusting to 50 early this afternoon. Temperature will be steady near -1. Now tonight, snow will be ending early this evening, then mainly cloudy with 60% chance of flurries. The wind will be out of the northwest, 30 kilometers an hour, gusting to 50, becoming light late this evening.
And I'm running a little late for work maybe, but like a lot of people, it's good for the kids, have fun in, but not too good for us shoveling wise.
Scott Parker for the Ottawa Citizen.